My name is Ivan and I'm from grade 5D. I'm studying in Sharjah Ambassador School. This event actually took place in Sharjah Ambassador School and I'm very grateful to the conductors and all who have arranged this event as it was a pleasure doing many things here. It was pretty fun. And also it gave us another view of thinking and all the other innovative stuff. We could even have a time like innovating and building together, which represents teamwork. Thank you. Nirin Naveen. I study in Ambassador School Sharjah in 5D. So this Lumos inter-school competition has been amazing. Uh, I won two medals, but personally, I think most students should come here and enjoy this amazing competition. My name is Vishnu, and I'm studying grade 5E in Ambassador School. Um, the Lumos inter-school competition was winning in it was a big accomplishment for me. Like I'm interested in robots and becoming a robot engineer. So I participated in this competition, and with my team we made the project Blaze Buster. Hello everyone, my name is Kirtan Malan and I just participated in the Lumos competition. It was a very good experience. I wish other students also are motivated from the speech I'm giving them and joining Lumos competition. It's it's a very best competition I ever went. Personally, I have went for some competitions, but this one made me more happy and win more medals and all. So I think much more students and all should go to this competition. Uh, Personally, actually, I love it very much. This is number one. So, congratulations. My question is which strategy you use to come to this success? So, the strategies I used is general science. So, um, when we know science itself, we STEM and all, it connects to all the study we did in school. So, I really like those science STEM activities and all. So, I just concentrated a little more on it, and now because of that, I was able to come to Lumos competition and also participate in it.
I'm Arush Malik from Grade 7B from Ambassador School, Sharjah. This competition that was hosted by Lumos, absolutely excellent. This is my first medal that I've gotten after going to many competitions, and I have to say this was one of the best. It was insanely good, and the host Lumos did it very good, perfectly honestly. So I have to say thank you to them. I'm grateful for this opportunity presented by Lumos. Thank you.
I'm Ayan and I'm very thankful for this opportunity Lumos has provided for me. I have won gold in the debate, oratory excellence, and silver in story writing. I always liked debate, but I didn't know like how to execute it, and I didn't get that many opportunities compared to the other students. And I always liked debate as a hobby, and I also have stage fright. But today I ignored all of that, focused on the competition, and turns out I won gold. And for story writing, I also wrote many stories before, but didn't put that much account to it. But today, when I tried, I got it. So I'm very thankful for Lumos for providing me this opportunity, and I hope I can win more.
Hi. So I'm very happy that second Lumos Interschool competition was a great success. All thanks to Lord Almighty for always being with me and guiding me, giving me the wisdom to handle this event. We started at a very simpler and smaller scale, but by God's grace, we are getting more heat and attention, and a lot of schools are knowing about us and they are taking initiative to participate in this event. So the second event also has been very successful. Thank you to God Almighty and for all the people who supported me, my volunteers, my family, my friends, everybody who were part of this. Yes, yeah, my question is which thing motivates you to come out this forum and how do you feel that they must speak up and show their talent? Sorry, I didn't get it. Yes, my question is which idea comes to your mind that you have to collect all the gifted Okay. So I have been always a very passionate person for children. So even before coming to the education background, I was working with corporate, but in my church community, I used to do work with children and children who are not literate, from the poor background. So out of my passion, I used to just teach them, Then finally, I moved my career from corporate to education field. I started as a Montessori teacher, and I realized there were children who were struggling to even understand or write like their peers. And on my own, out of curiosity, out of interest, I started teaching them without even knowing about special needs or whatever challenges they are facing. And I could see things happen like miracle, and parents were like, they were surprised, like whatever we couldn't do, how come this teacher is doing? So that got me into this field. Then I qualified myself as a special educator in India. I started my own institute over there with intervention. We had speech intervention, occupation therapy, physiotherapy, all the intervention for the children who had challenges. Along with that, we used to support them to get coached so that they can get admission in the mainstream school, because they were struggling to get admissions. Schools were finding it difficult to handle them. So we prepared them and we ensured that they get into the mainstream school. So when I moved to UAE over here, I joined as a head of inclusion, and I realized here there is more opportunity because government is more supporting towards gifted and talented children and special needs children. And I identified that these are the areas which are untouched. And gifted and talented is an area which is vast and very ambiguous. Even in the field where I'm working, a lot of teachers don't know what is this gifted and talented spectrum and how to help them. Even the senior leaders, they are in doubt. So I explored what needs to be done, and hence Lumos was created. This is an inspiration, and this is especially for gifted and talented, giving them platform to perform and also develop in their areas. Yes, definitely. So that's my plan. I want to make it open for all the Emirates. So we have covered two Emirate. Now third event would be in another Emirate. That's a surprise now. Thank you. Thank you so much.